right. Well, of course, questions of whether the themes that we saw in 2021 will play out this year at the same time. Now, of course, lithium, one of those that ran hot last year. Will that continue? Well, our stock of the day is Liontown Resources, ticker code LTR. Lithium developer signing an offtake term sheet with South Korean-based LG Energy Solutions, another step forward in developing its flagship Kathleen Valley lithium project in WA. Shares very much in the green as a result today. Andrew, do you like Liontown?
Yeah, I don't mind it at all. I don't follow it super closely, so I just had a quick look before. I'm sure Henry's got a lot more to say about it. In particular, the markers today, $12 million subscriber or whatever the value he's up to now. But it's a $3 billion company, and as you just said, they've signed their first offtake agreement for that Kathleen Valley project they have with LG, and it's a 5-year deal initially, starting in 2024. Around 100 to 150,000 tonnes. So it certainly is a positive for them. It vindicates their project. Of course, they just recently undertook that placement back in December at $1.65. And consensus, I note, is $2.15. So lithium's not going away. The EV story is not going away, despite our best efforts here in Australia with lack of policy around that. The mine itself's got a 23-year life, so certainly this should hopefully be the first of many agreements announced by Liontown, so I would think it's a buy.
A buy, okay, even given where it's been. Henry, do you agree? I mean, you just look at that share price there, it's absolutely exploded in the past 12 months.
It's funny, isn't it? For someone who had little to say on Liontown, Andrew gave it a fair go, I have to say. Pretty much stolen my thunder. I was expecting a passing and a deferring to my learned colleague comment, but unfortunately not. Liontown, yes, it is a buy, I have to say. It is one of the stocks that one of our members has made an extraordinary amount of money at playing with, and has been the one stock conviction portfolio. He was a $12 million man at around, I think it was around 85 cents. He's probably doing an awful lot better now. The thing for me, I think, at the moment is the SPP, which finishes very shortly. That finishes on the 14th. Now, that share purchase plan price, which they're hoping to raise $40 million. Now, SPPs tend to be the icing on the cake. It's already fully funded Kathleen Valley, $450 million out of the placement at 165. There's another 40 coming from the SPP, which looks to be a little underwhelming given the share price is below that SPP price. And I think that is weighing on the stock at the moment. Every other lithium stock has kind of exploded to the upside, and certainly there has been some massive winners. And even today we're seeing some good winners in things like Gallon Lithium is up 9%. We've got Core Lithium up nearly 5.8%, and that's building on rises recently. So I think this one for me is a buy. Once that SPP closes on the 14th of January, which is only a couple of days away, I think the stock could pop back up towards the $1.80, $2 level, especially given the deal they've done today with LG, and they're certainly tier one kind of offtake agreements they're doing, fully funded. Now they're getting those offtake agreements through. It does look pretty good, I have to say. So for me, it is a buy.
All right, that is a good start, gentlemen. It goes into the portfolio as a result. That is Liontown.